Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will show you a simple way how you can easily change exchange in TradingView screener, like TradingView platform. So what you want to do is it's really simple. You want to go to tradingview.com. Let's go. Then when you're going to be here, click screeners. And now when you're going to be in screeners, you want to click on filters right here. And then you can have the exchange here. Just write exchange, and then you can change it to whatever you want. So like OTC, Nasdaq, any. And that's pretty much it, how you do it. So if you can have any questions, ask me down in the comments. And yeah, have a great day and goodbye. See ya.